Really?
Including the ones over there with the midnight oblivion.
Look at these people. So I take care of these people. I don't know why she comes here. I don't know.
I don't know. She thinks she can. What?
I don't know.
What's the attraction?
I don't know who she visits. I don't know who she deals with.
You'll never guess.
I don't know who these people are.
Where the man next door used to live.
Yeah, no, someone in there now. I don't know. Someone's been
There's
in.
not anybody in there.
I don't know who's in there then.
Who gave her the key to that place?
I don't know. Someone did. I don't know.
Psycho person. See, if I had to get a sticker, it's gonna go on me right one.
Yeah.
Jerk. They're just what? What a boppers are they?
Stupid.
They're just jealous. What did Papa say about me and you? How was